Let us find out the trigonometric ratios of angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Take an equilateral triangle whose side is 2a. All the angles are 60 degrees. This is 60, this is 60, that is 60. So when I take the right, let D be foot of perpendicular from A to BC. Since it is an equilateral triangle, it bisects, so both sides are A. So I have now AB is equal to 2A, BD is equal to A. All sides are equal implies AB is 2A. So when you calculate AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square from the Pythagoras theorem, which will give us 2A whole square minus A square 3A square. Now AD is equal to root 3A. When AD is root 3A, this is the right angle triangle. A, B, B. This is 2A, this is A, this is root 3A. In this is 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees. It is so simple that sine 30 degrees, opposite side by hypotenuse, A by 2A, 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 30 degrees, AD by AB. So you get root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is equal to BD by AD. So that's how you get the thing here. Now, let me take sine 60 degrees. Triangle BAD, same triangle, sine 60 degrees. Opposite side by hypotenuse, root 3A by 2A, which is root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 60 degrees, adjacent side by, so it comes under opposite side by adjacent side, so it is AD by AB. Here cos 60 is equal to adjacent side is BD by AB. That will give us A by 2A, 1 by 2. So tan 60 degrees will be obviously equal to root 3. So we get from the given condition